Hello, my name is Jet Stones. I'm going to show you pack openings. So if I've done 31, let's get started. Stember bar. No, that was the rubbish one. Please, can we get a... Yes! Yes! 2 informs! 2 informs! 2 informs! 2 informs! That is Oscar and Schweinsteiger. Let's click. Who else do I get? Mona? Yeah! I get a green! Yes! I got Luis Suarez. Now, 2... Legend! No, rubbish. So put... 2 PKs in form. Look how much I can't I'm getting after the transfer. Yes, just oh my God. Gareth Bale and Luis Suarez. We'll have 3 more left. No, we'll have another 3. That was the first one. A green and a legend. Neuer, green. Okay, this will be the final last one. Could it be? Thank you for watching my pack opening. That's probably the best one I've ever had in centuries. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Please press the like button and thank you, Jacob.